In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Kit. We're going to walk through the absolute minimum steps you need to set up a clean, reusable email template so you can send consistent professional emails without rebuilding them every time. First, once you're logged into Kit, look toward the top of your screen for the main navigation bar. There you'll see an option labeled Send. Go ahead and click on Send, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Email Templates. This is where all of your existing templates live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. On the Email Templates page, look for a button that says New Email Template. It's usually easy to spot, often near the top of the screen. Click that button. This tells Kit you're starting from scratch with a brand new template instead of editing an existing one. Next, Kit will ask you to choose a starting template. This is basically the foundation or layout you want to begin with. You'll typically see options like text, newsletter, or custom HTML. If you want something very simple and personal, like a plain email you might send to a colleague, choose text. If you're creating a more visual, marketing-style email with images, sections, and headlines, select newsletter. And if you or someone on your team is comfortable working with code and you already have an HTML design, choose custom HTML. Pick the one that best matches the style of email you plan to send most often. Once you've chosen your starting point, you'll be taken into the editor. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar. This is where you customize the overall look and feel of your template. Take a moment to adjust your brand colors so they match your logo or website. Choose fonts that are easy to read, and tweak the layout so the information flows in a way that makes sense for your audience. Even small changes here can make a big difference. For example, using a clear heading font and a comfortable body text size can improve readability, and setting your brand color for buttons helps people recognize your emails at a glance. When you're happy with how everything looks, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click the Save button. Saving locks in your changes and adds this template to your list, so you can reuse it whenever you're sending new campaigns or automated emails. And that's it. With just those steps, you've created a reusable email template in Kit that's ready to go whenever you are.